Makeup, do you know what you should be wearing? You should be wearing skincare. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel and thank you for your love and support so far. Yes, so if this is your first time viewing or seeing me, hello, my name is rodiyah. Around this space, I'm sharing beauty and lifestyle related content and anything that I feel like I need to share with you guys. So if this sounds interesting to you already, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, thank you. All right, so today I'll be sharing my morning skincare routine with you guys, and this was inspired by my lazy days makeup upload. I'm going to show put the link up here so you can check that out. Okay, so I know in the morning it's always lazy for us to get up because it's so cool and relaxing to sleep, and I get it, but somehow we have to get up. So usually when I get up, I go for water to keep me hydrated. I try to avoid my phone. Sometimes I just look at the time. My phone remains on flight mode for a long time. Whilst doing this, I also try to quickly think about the necessary things I need to do for the day, and then I go wash my hands, brush my mouth, and most likely shower after that. But if I have some quick chores to do, I like to do that before I shower, and this is where the cleansing takes place. So in the morning it's actually easier and you don't feel the stress of cleansing your face. But first of all, you need to avoid something in your facial cleanser, which is sodium lauryl sulfate. Okay, and also try to avoid overly fragranced cleansers because they are likely going to damage your skin or cause some reactions. You also have to dedicate a towel for your face. Also, if you have acne prone skin, try to change your pillowcases as often as possible because that also builds up bacteria. And yeah, this step is going to be very basic because again it's not the night routine, this is a morning routine, so that makes it easier, and it's not going to be like a 1000 steps routine. It's just going to be the very basics that you need to do. Yeah, and skincare is actually very important, guys. Yeah, and it's not just for ladies, it's for all right. Yeah, so now I'm gonna demonstrate for you guys. Hi, yes, finally this is my morning face. I'm going to be using 4 items basically for this routine. However, I'll be adding on my own little extras. You can completely skip this step. That's totally up to you. Before you get products for your skin, you need to know your skin type. That is very important because it's just like you saying you have headache and then you are taking another kind of medication for that. So, but if you don't have any skin condition, still it's just advisable to get what works best. In as much as this is a very simple step, the easy things are also very easy not to do, but let's just try. After knowing your skin type and knowing the best products that are suitable for your skin, you need to get yourself a good cleanser. My cleanser is the Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Cleansing Gel. So I will be using this, and I love this so much because it doesn't strip my face. It's so gentle, and after washing, my face feels squeaky clean. And right after that, I'll go ahead with my Sun by Me toner, and this also is such a good exfoliant. It has AHA and BHA, niacinamide in it as well, so I really love this one. And then I'll be using my moisturizer. I love this one so much. It's by Touching So. It's the Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. I really love this because like they said, it's waterful, so it feels like you're practically using water on your skin, and it's so lightweight, and this is packed with hyaluronic acid. The most important one of all is get yourself a good SPF. So without further ado, I'm gonna wash up my face right now and then come back. So I take just a tiny little bit, yeah, work it gently your skin. Go in a circular motion, one space at a time. And now I'm gonna rinse out my face. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back, and then just dry up the face quickly before it gets dried out. Drop in some toner. And this is very gentle, super gentle, and it gets out as much dirt as it needs to. Guys, there was something that I saw just some weeks ago. I think I saw this. It's so disgusting, guys. So apparently there is this service or whatever that they say you are taking out your dead skin cells, your dead skin, you're exfoliating and peeling off your dead skin. And in case you have not seen my skin video, it's going to be somewhere up here. Kindly go check that out, just for you to understand your skin, the layers of the skin. And basically what they are doing is taking out their epidermis without knowing, and to them they think they are removing the dead skin cells. And I was just like, what? These people, I'm not judging them, I just feel like they need to know better, because also whilst you're peeling off that's your so-called dead skin, which is your melanin here, the skin looks lighter, but you're gradually taking out layers and layers from your skin. So this is a step that you don't want to stay so long on. At this point, I just like to mist my face a bit. It's not necessary. You can scrap this for your routine, but I like my face to still be slightly damp when I'm about to moisturize my face. That's why I do the rose water. I use the rose water, just the rose water. So I'm using this cream. It's almost done. You guys can tell I'm showing this cream so much love. And there is this saying, people believe that skincare is only for ladies. Please. Skincare is for everybody, male, female, and the earlier you start, the better. And the most important is, once you know your skin type, you know what to stick to, you know what works best for you, and yeah, that's it. The most important one of all is the SPF. So depending on the number of the SPF, that's how effective it's going to be. So this one is just 35. There is SPF from 15 up to 95. I've seen 95. And there's also something about SPF. So your SPF, actually, you should take a lot of it. If you don't do anything at all, from all that I've said, SPF should not be ignored. Some people don't like to use SPF because it gives you the white casts, but you need to get the right one. Try to avoid SPF with titanium dioxide. It has zinc oxide in it. Yes, because those are the ones that give you the white cast. I mean, when you are going to the beach, it's cool to have it on you, on the kids. The white cast really does nothing. But when it comes to something that you wear every day, just like the one I use now, it's completely blended into the skin. So for this, you have to get SPF with avobenzone in it. That's one blends completely into your skin tone. The recommended SPF is a minimum of 30, so you need to like get yourself protected. Yeah, so basically that's it at this point. Just keep my face like this, and then this is the lip treatment that I'm using on my lip, and this is good enough. And after that, I just quickly keep my brows groomed. This is a clear brow gel, so I just like keep my brows in place. That's it, nothing more. And yeah, that's it. This actually takes not so much time. If you're wearing SPF, please note that you are not supposed to go out immediately after applying your SPF. You should give it some time, up to 5 minutes, for it to kick in. Then you know that you are protected. Here is a quick recap. So the first thing you want to do is cleanse your face. After cleansing your face, use a toner. From using a toner, you moisturize. From moisturizing, then you apply SPF. Like, is that easy? I would like to say thank you for watching. I hope you were able to find this one useful. If you do, kindly give me a like. Share with me down in the comments what skincare products do you use for your morning routine. And so kindly subscribe to my channel just in case you haven't, and turn on the notification bell just so you don't miss a thing from me. I will see you on the next one. Bye.